Hello, my friend. Welcome to this video. My name is Emma, and today we will go to the airport together. In this lesson, I will show you, step by step, everything that happens at the airport. We will practice real English phrases that you can use when you travel. I will speak slowly so you can understand every word. So relax, breathe, and enjoy this trip with me. Let's start our airport journey together. Now, I'm packing my suitcase for my trip. First, I need my passport. This is the most important thing. I also need my phone and charger. Without my charger, I can't use my phone at the airport. I should take my wallet too, with my ID and my credit card. I'm packing some comfortable clothes. I don't want to carry too much. Oh, I must not forget my toothbrush and skincare. I always need them when I travel. Okay, I think I'm ready. I didn't forget anything. I hope. Now I need to call a taxi to go to the airport.
Hello, Yellow Taxi Service. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to book a taxi to the airport, please.
Sure, what is your pickup address?
Green Street, number 12.
Okay, got it. And when do you need the taxi?
As soon as possible, please.
No problem. The nearest taxi can be there in about 10 minutes. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
All right, your taxi is on the way. Have a safe trip.
Thank you so much. Everything is ready. Now I am ready to go. I am waiting for the taxi now. It should be here soon. I hope there is no traffic. I want to arrive at the airport early. Oh, I think the taxi is coming. The taxi is here. Hello, I'm going to the airport, please.
Okay, which airport?
The international airport.
Okay, is this your first time flying?
No, it's not my first time, but I'm still a little excited.
That's normal. The traffic is good today.
How long will it take?
About 20 minutes.
Great. That's perfect. Wow, we are at the airport.
Yes, this is the airport. Have a good trip.
Thank you very much. Wow, the airport is very big. There are many people here. First, I need to find the check-in desk. Hello, I want to check in.
Okay, I can see your passport, please.
Here is my passport.
Do you have a suitcase?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate number is B12. Boarding is at 10:30.
Okay, thank you very much. The stuff tell me my gate number and boarding time. Now I know where to go and when to board. Now I am at the security check. Here they check people and bags.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Okay, please put your bag here.
All right.
Please walk through. You're good to go.
Thank you. Security check is finished. Now I can go to my gate. Now I am at the gate. This is gate B12. My flight is on the screen. Boarding is at 10:30. Now I am waiting for my flight. Now I am boarding the plane.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Boarding pass, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 12A.
Okay.
Please go straight and turn left.
Thank you very much. I am on the plane now. I am sitting by the window. I like the window seat. I can see the plans and the sky. This makes me happy. Today, I packed my suitcase, called a taxi, and came to the airport. Now I am on the plane. My trip is starting. If you liked this at the airport conversation video, please like the video. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English and slow English conversations. New videos are coming every week. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you like the window seat or the aisle seat? Please write your answer in the comments. I read all your comments and I love them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next English learning video.